Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a food item. So this is going to be both in the Your Prep for Today playlist up here, a little link for that. And then I will drop another link in here for the prepper pantry. Because being food, we're going to talk about stuff that goes into your prepper pantry. Today, I want to talk to you about, people have called it the miracle food. Raisins. All right? Raisins come from grapes, you dehydrate them and stuff, and they last, it seems like forever. I got several years back, I got a couple packages of the Sun-made raisins. My grandkids absolutely love them. And this one here, let's crack it open here for you. Hopefully, you still see everything in there. Looks nice and good and yummy. Smells great. Best use by date. Probably not going to show it here, but I'll turn it around here. April 2021. And it's still good. And this one's been open for a while. My grandson's only gets to get a small handful, like maybe a quarter cup. And, that's all they need, just something nice and sweet. And, takes the edge off. And it's not real sugar where they go in, or anything with high fructose corn syrup in it. But raisins, last a long time. That's one of the first dehydrated foods they've had for years, or actually millennia. And I got a couple others I'll be talking about later. So if you think about it, store some raisins. They also make a great picker-upper for morale in bad times. Alrighty? So I'm going to throw a link up here to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound. The link for the Prepping for Beginners and the link for Prepping in Private. See you around. Take care. Add more preps. It's up to you to get prepared.